Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a truly innovative accessory for Samsung Galaxy Buds users. The Anesor case, designed specifically for the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro 2024 and Galaxy Buds 3 2024 models. This isn't just any case. It's a comprehensive solution that combines robust protection with an incredibly practical cleaning kit, all wrapped up in a sleek design. Right off the bat, one of the standout features that immediately catches the eye is the integrated safety lock. This isn't a mere aesthetic addition, it's a crucial functional element. The case is equipped with a secure locking mechanism that firmly holds the entire earphone case shut. This means users can finally say goodbye to the anxiety of their precious earbuds accidentally popping open and tumbling out, whether they're jogging, commuting, or simply fumbling with their bag. It provides an unparalleled sense of security, effectively preventing loss or damage from unexpected openings. Moving on to the construction, the Anesor case boasts a thoughtful dual-material design. The top cover is crafted from a high-transparency TPU material. This isn't just clear, it's designed to be safe, odorless, and crucially anti-yellowing. This ensures that the original aesthetic of the Galaxy Buds remains visible and pristine over time, without the common discoloration issues seen in many clear cases. The lower cover, on the other hand, features a premium metallic spray paint finish, complemented by gold plating. This combination not only gives the case a sophisticated metallic silver-gray appearance, but also provides superior crash and scratch resistance. The tactile feel is also noteworthy. It's comfortable to handle, adding to the overall premium experience. Now let's talk about the game changer, the double-end cleaning pen. This is truly a brilliant addition, integrated seamlessly into the design. It's a one-piece unit with a clever hidden design. One side pulls down to reveal a dedicated cleaning brush, perfect for sweeping away dust and debris from the earbud grills or the case itself. The other side pulls down to expose plush brush bristles and a precise round metal tip. This versatile tool isn't just for the Galaxy Buds. It can be used to meticulously clean mobile phones, keyboards, and various other electronic devices, making it an indispensable accessory for maintaining hygiene and performance across all gadgets. The convenience of having such a comprehensive cleaning solution always at hand, integrated directly with the earbud case, is something users will undoubtedly appreciate. Installation of the case is straightforward, though it does have a specific order due to the raised clear safety clips on the top case. Users are advised to install the top case first, ensuring the headset is fully pushed into the clear safety buckle, and only then proceed with installing the lower case. This ensures a snug and secure fit, maximizing the protective capabilities of the case. When purchasing this Anesor case, users receive the clear case for their Galaxy Buds Pro 3 or Buds 3, a sturdy metal carabiner for easy attachment to bags or keys, and of course, the innovative clean kit. Anesor also stands behind its product with a 1-year repair period, offering peace of mind regarding any quality-related concerns. This case truly elevates the experience of owning Galaxy Buds, offering both superior protection and practical maintenance in one elegant package.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.